Hello and welcome to Reviewly.ai. In this video, we'll walk through how to connect GoHighLevel to Reviewly.ai so your contacts can automatically flow into your review and feedback process. So, let's get started. To begin, you will need an active GoHighLevel account. Now log in to Reviewly.ai, and from your dashboard, you're going to click on the drop-down menu next to your location name. Then, click Integrations. On this page, scroll down until you see the blue Connect button under GoHighLevel. Now, click Connect. The first thing Reviewly.ai will ask for is your GoHighLevel API key. To find it, you're going to have to open GoHighLevel in a new tab. Once logged in, go ahead and scroll all the way down onto the left and click on Settings. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the API key. Next, click the clipboard to copy the API key. Then, go ahead and return to the Reviewly.ai tab and paste that key into the API key field. Once that key is pasted, Reviewly.ai will automatically check that it's valid. Next, you'll choose which tag should trigger contacts to be sent into Reviewly.ai. Please note that you may want to take a moment here and choose carefully. If you leave it blank, all your contacts in GoHighLevel will be synced to Reviewly.ai, which could mean thousands of records at once. For this example today, we're going to select the tag labeled Reviewly Integration Test. Then, click Connect. Once you get connected, any contact in GoHighLevel with this tag applied will automatically appear in your Reviewly.ai contacts list. If you open a contact, you'll see the tag listed, confirming that the integration is working correctly. And that's it for setting up the GoHighLevel integration. Once connected, Reviewly.ai will automatically send tagged contacts into your review and feedback flow, so you can focus on running your business. Thanks for watching. If you need help at any point, you can reach out anytime to support@Reviewly.ai.